Hello student, this is the Sangeeta Mansukhani. In this video I will be explain carboxylic acid, video number 166. So carboxylic acid, this is the chapter number 12. So aldehyde ketone I completely explained. So next functional group is carboxylic acid. What is a carboxylic acid? The carbon compound containing a carboxylic group, carboxylic functional group COOH are known as carboxylic acid. And carboxylic group consists of the carbonyl group attached to the hydroxyl group. So it is known as carboxylic group. See, carbonyl group C double bond O and attached with the hydroxyl group OH. So it is known as carboxyl group. Okay, and carboxylic acid may be aliphatic as a RCOOH or aromatic ArCOOH. So depending on the groups, alkyl or aride. Okay, alkyl group attached with the carboxylic group, so it is known as aliphatic, and aromatic group ArCOOH. So attached, so it is known as aromatic carboxylic group. Clear? Like example, here you see CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, carbon number of the acid also count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon, butane, and acid suffix is oic acid. So butanoic acid. CH3, COOH. So 1 carbon and second carbon. So ethane plus oic acid, ethanoic acid. And benzoic acid. Carboxylic group attached with the benzene, so it is known as benzene plus oic acid, benzenoic acid. Okay, benzoic acid also we have to say. Then higher members of the aliphatic carboxylic group C12 to C18 known as fatty acid. Some higher members of the aliphatic carboxylic group C12 to C18 are known as fatty acid, occur in the natural fats and as ester of the glycerol. Okay, so some higher members of the aliphatic carboxylic group C12 to C18 are known as fatty acid and occurs in the natural fat as ester of the glycerol. And when carbonyl groups gets attached with the groups like OR, NH2, X, OCOR, the compounds are called derivatives of the carboxylic acid. Okay, so when carbonyl groups gets attached with the groups like OR, NH2, X, OCOR, so the compounds are called derivatives of the carboxylic acid. Okay, so we have to say when OR attached with the group. Okay, here you see examples. RCO, if OR group attached, so we have to say ester. If NH2 group attached with the carbonyl group, so we have to say amide. Halogen attached with the carbonyl group, so we have to say halogen halide. Halide. Okay, acyl halide also. Then OCOR, this is a carbonyl group and the group attached OCOR, it is a acid anhydride. Okay, so ester, amide, acyl halide, acid amide, anhydride. Okay, they are derivatives of the carboxylic acid. So when carbonyl groups gets attached with the group OR, NH2, X, OCOR, so the compounds are called derivatives of the carboxylic acid and they are name is ester, amide, acyl halides and acid anhydride. Okay, then nomenclature of the carboxylic acid. First, common system suffix is ic acid, common name. Okay, and Latin or Greek names of their natural source, like example formic acid. Formic acid HCOOH was first obtained from the red ant, and Latin formica means ant. And like example second, acetic acid CH3COOH from vinegar, and Latin name acetum, and it is means vinegar. Next is butyric acid CH3CH2CH2COOH. It is obtained from rancid butter, and rancid butter Latin name is butyrum. Okay, so its means is butter. Again I say formic acid HCOOH was first obtained from red ants. Latin formica means ant. Then acetic acid CH3COOH from vinegar. Its Latin name is acetum and means vinegar. And butyric acid CH3CH2CH2COOH from rancid butter and its Latin name is butyrum means butter. In IUPAC system, name of the carboxylic acid is alkanoic acid. Okay, so suffix we have to use oic acid. Here you see example CH3CH3CH2COOH. This is the carbon number 1. We have to start from this carbon chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any one side we have to go, so 4 carbon total. We have to select this chain 2, 3 and 4. Third number methyl group. So 3 methyl butane, 4 carbon and then oic acid. 3 methyl butanoic acid. Then this example here you see CH3CHBrCeOOH. 1, 2, 3. Second number Br, so 2 bromo, 3 carbon, propane plus oic acid, propanoic acid. 2 bromo propanoic acid. Then C6H5CH double bond CHCOOH. So 1, 2, 3 and this is the phenyl group. So 3 phenyl, 3 carbon, prop, 1 ene. Okay, and 2 ene and 1 oic acid. So ene oic we combine together, so enoic. Okay, so 3 phenyl, prop, 2 ene, 1 oic acid. Okay, so we have to see other example. Common name and IUPAC name. C HCOOH. So its common name is formic acid. Here you see suffix in the common name ic acid, and IUPAC name only 1 carbon and methane, and then suffix is oic. So methanoic acid. Clear? Then next example CH3COOH, acetic acid, and then its IUPAC name 2 carbon, ethane plus oic acid, ethanoic acid. Then next CH3CH2CH2COOH. So 1 carbon, 2, 3 and 4. So first number carbon or acid group and 4 carbon. So butyric, and then in IUPAC name butane plus oic acid, butanoic acid. Then next example CH3 whole twice CHCOOH. So 2 methyl group attached with 1 carbon. So we have to say iso. Total 4 carbon. So butyric acid. Then IUPAC name. So first open the structure CH3 C CH3 CHCOOH. Okay, so we have to select this chain, and second number methyl group. So 2 methyl, 1, 2, 3 propane plus oic acid. So 2 methyl propanoic acid. Then next example COOH. So we have to say oxalic acid in common name, and 2 carbon ethane plus 2 acid group. So ethane dioic acid, its IUPAC name. Okay, next example COOH CH2COOH. So 2 methyl group attached with the 1 methylene group. Okay, so we have to say in common name malonic acid. This is the oxalic acid, and malonic acid 1 methyl group between the 2 acid group, and its name is 1, 2, 3 carbon, propane and 2 acid group. So propane dioic acid. Next 2 methylene group with the between the acid group. So succinic acid. Okay, so 4 carbon butane dioic acid. Then COOH CH2 whole 3 COOH. So gulteric acid, and its name is 3 carbon 5 total pentane dioic acid. 4 methylene group between the acid, adipic acid, and then total 6 carbon hexane dioic acid. Then next COOH CH2 CHCOOH CH2COOH. Acid group 3 and 3 group attached with the 3 methylene group. Okay, so 3 carbon propane and 1, 2, 3 acid group. So propane 1, 2, 3 tricarboxylic acid. Clear? Benzene attached with the acid. So its common name and IUPAC name both benzoic acid. Otherwise we have to say benzene carboxylic acid. CH2COOH attached with the benzene. Its name phenyl, and then its name is acetic acid. Phenyl acetic acid. Otherwise we have to say 1 and 2. 2 phenyl. It is IUPAC name 2 phenyl, 2 carbon ethane plus oic acid. 2 phenyl ethanoic acid. Then next example 2 COOH group attached with the benzene. Its name is phthalic acid. So nearer carbon acid group are present. So its name is phthalic acid, P here silent, PH. So its name is benzene, and one number and second number acid group. So benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. Benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. Then next is structure. Carboxylic group, you see C double bond O, OH. Here bonds attached to the carbonyl carbon in one plane. Okay, and separated about the angle 120 degree. Clear? Here you see double bond electron attracted by the oxygen, so O negative, and this oxygen electron going to this way. Okay, so here oxygen negative charge, carbon as electropositive, and here double bond are formed. Clear? And oxygen given its electron, so here plus positive charge. So carboxylic carbon is less electrophile than carbonyl group because of the following possible resonating structure. So this is first structure and this is the third structure. So it is an electrically neutral, okay, because here positive charge, and carboxyl carbon of the resonance hybrid it is less positive because here first and last it is not changes in the conjugated system. Okay, clear? But here carbonyl group it is also polar due to the resonance structure. Clear? Second and third, because here double bond, here positive charge and electron going towards 2, so double bond are formed. Okay, so resonance structure. Clear? So this is the structure of the carboxylic group. Clear? Next topic is methods of the preparation. Methods of the preparation. So methods of the preparation of the carboxylic group acid are total 6 are given. PNAGAE, total 6. P, primary alcohol. From primary alcohol we have to easily prepare carboxylic acid. N, from nitrile and amides. A, from alkyl benzenes. G, from Grignard reagent. A, from acid anhydride, and E, from ester. So first we have to see from primary alcohol and aldehyde. See, we have to take 1 degree alcohol. OH attach this carbon and this carbon attach only one alkyl group. So this is the 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol in the presence of the alkaline KMNO4, and then second step H3O plus. So water, okay, this is the water is isolated and then accept the oxygen, nascent oxidation. Okay, so RCOOH, so carboxylic acid are formed. Then we have to take like this example 1, 8, 9 and 10. 10 total carbons attached with the OH. So decane 1 all. Okay, so oxidized into the chromium oxide CrO3 in the presence of the sulfuric acid. So same here, water isolated and then 2 nascent oxygen are attached, COOH. So decanoic acid are formed. 1 degree alcohol are take, so 1 degree carboxylic acid are formed. Decane 1 all we have to take, so decanoic acid are. Okay, so that is means from alcohol we have to take oxidizing agent. So easily oxidized alcohol and alcohol convert into the acid. If we take aldehyde, so same procedure, oxidizing agent we have to take. So here take Tollens reagent. So aldehyde in the presence of the Tollens reagent accept the nascent 1 oxygen. Okay, so formation acetic acid. So acetaldehyde easily convert into the acetic acid in the presence of the oxidizing agent, mild oxidizing agent like Tollens reagent. Okay, clear? Then next preparation method from nitriles and amide. What is the nitriles? CN, cyanide. In the cyanide in the IUPAC way we have to say nitrile. So RCN, cyanide, nitriles first hydrolyzed to the amide in the presence of the H plus and OH minus. So nitriles RCN. So in the presence of the H plus or OH minus as a catalyst. So in the presence of the H plus or OH minus, so mild reactions are used to the stop reaction at the amide stage. Here you see R and OH, H2O here. Okay, so C and C attached, carbon attached with the oxygen and nitrogen attached with the hydrogen. So RCONH2, it is a amide. And again in the presence of the H plus and OH minus, it is converted into the heat and this bond is break. OH and this side H. So RCOOH acid and NH3 form. Okay, ammonia. So nitrile easily convert into the acid. We have to take like amide, ethanamide, CS3CONH2, hydrolysis and heat. So same procedure here, this bond is break. Okay, RCS3COOH this side and NH2 plus H, NH3. So ethanamide formation, ethanoic acid. Clear? Then benzene attached with the amide group. So hydrolysis of the benzene amide. Okay, so same procedure, this bond is break, this side OH and this side H, COOH and this side NH3. Benzoic acid are formed. Benzenamide convert into the benzoic acid. So from nitrile and amide we have to easily prepare acid. Third method is from alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene we have to take example. Third is from alkyl benzene preparation. Toluene take. Alkyl benzene. So like example, CS3 attached with the benzene, it is a toluene, and then react with the KMnO4 oxidizing agent. Okay, so first is KMnO4 as a oxidizing agent and KOH as a react with the CS3. So COOK, it is a potassium benzoate, and then again in the presence of the water, this bond is break, H and then OH. So COOH attached with the benzene, benzoic acid, and then KOH remove. Okay, so toluene convert into the potassium benzoate and potassium benzoate convert into the benzoic acid. Clear? Only one reaction you have to confirmly practice. Okay, like here example you see propyl attached with the benzene. So in your mind one concept clear. If propyl benzene, that is means it is a alkyl benzene. If alkyl benzene given and oxidizing agent given, so that is means you completely understood alkyl benzene react with the oxidizing agent, so easily convert into the acid. Okay, but how? So first, whenever KOH formation for benzoate, potassium benzoate, so this is completely chain, hydro carbon chain, remove, and then COOK, potassium benzoate form, then after hydrolysis and benzoic acid. So this concept you practice. Okay, clear? So here in aromatic way it is not necessary to the balance the each and every element. Okay, but only for here seeing which reactant we have to take and catalyst, and then here complete which product. Okay, clear? That is clear? Okay, then from primary alcohol and aldehydes, second is from nitriles and amides, and third one is from alkyl benzene. Then fourth is from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent react with the dry ice CO2 in ethereal solution. Ethereal solution, that is means dry ether we have to take. So to produce salt of the carboxylic acid. So like Grignard reagent, what is a Grignard reagent? GR alkyl magnesium halide. It is a Grignard reagent. RMgX alkyl magnesium halide. It is a Grignard reagent. React with the CO2. CO2 open structure, O double bond C double bond O. So this is the CO2 in the presence of the dry ether. So CO2 react in the presence of the dry ether. So carbon and oxygen. Carbon is a electropositive and then oxygen is electronegative. In alkyl magnesium halide, magnesium is a alkali matter, so it is a positive, and then alkyl group is a negative. So R attached with the carbon and then oxygen attached with the magnesium. So R C double bond O, then O attached with the magnesium halide. RCOOMgX. This is the adduct. Okay, addition product. Then after hydrolysis, this bond is break. This side OH and this side H. RCOOH, and then this side magnesium XO. Okay, OHX. So carboxylic acid easily formed. We have to take example here like CS3MgBr react with the CO2. So CS3MgBr, so magnesium delta positive and methyl group delta negative. In carbon dioxide, carbon positive and oxygen negative. Carbon attached with the CS3. So CS3 C double bond O. O attached with the MgBr. OMgBr. Hydrolysis, this bond is break. OH and then here H. So R CS3COOH and then MgBr OH. So 2 carbon, ethane plus acid, oic acid, ethanoic acid. So from Grignard reagent easily we have to prepare acid. Okay. Then next is from acyl halide and anhydride. Acyl halide, that is means RCOCl. Acyl halide we have to take and hydrolysis of the acyl halide. So this bond is break. So this side OH and this side H. So RCOOH and then plus Cl minus. Then OH minus in the basic way. So RCOO minus plus Cl minus and then hydrolysis RCOOH. So this is the simple concept here. If we take aromatic compound benzoic anhydride C6H5CO whole twice O. Okay, so H2O hydrolysis. So simple, open the structure C6H5 C double bond O, O C double bond O, C6H5. Okay, so one side bond is break, this side H and then OH. So C6H5COOH, C6H5COOH. So two molecule of the benzoic acid are formed. So if we take acyl halide, so easily form acid, and if we take anhydride, so easily form acid. Clear? Benzoic acid. So from acyl halide and anhydride we have to easily form acid. Then last sixth is from ester. Ester is RCOOR. Okay, R benzene ring, COO, R C2H5. Ethyl benzoate, benzene attached with the acid, so ethyl benzoate hydrolysis. Okay, so this is bond is break. So one side H and one side OH. So benzene COOH, it is a benzoic acid, and then another side C2H5OH, ethanol. Okay, if we take example alkyl ester, CH3CH2 CH3COO C2H5, ethyl, and 1 2 3 4 4 carbon, butane, and ester suffix are oit. So ethyl and butane plus oit, butanoid, in the base NaOH convert into the simple way concept sodium salt. This is side Na and this side OH. CH3, CH2, CH2, COO, Na, and then another side C2H5 OH. Hydrolysis and easily hydrogen, and this side OH. So CH3, CH2, CH2, COO, H, and this side NaOH. Clear? So butanoic acid are formed. Clear? So from ester easily form acid. Clear? So there are 6 topics.